Hello, welcome to Cleekly. Today we'll talk more about the application of Object Editor. What else has the hero encountered on his journey? In today's video, we will reproduce these adventures together. It will include 1. Units drop settings. 2. Add hero abilities. 3. Modify ability attributes. First, let's see the unit's drop settings. Place a unit on the map as the enemy. Select the unit. Use the widget to adjust its size and angle. I believe everyone must be very familiar with this. Go to Edit Object on the right side. Change the unit owner to Neutral Hostile. In Dropped Item, click the plus sign to add an item dropped when the unit dies. Choose the weapon we customize as the item drop. The default drop rate is 100%, and we can modify the value as we like. The unit drop settings is done. Let's see how to add hero abilities. First, we need to place a hero unit on the map. Create a custom hero unit and place it on the map. Use the widget to adjust its angle and make it face the enemy unit. Select the unit to see its attributes. Click Edit Object below to open the Object Editor. We can see that the unit currently has only one ability, Normal Attack. Let's add a hero ability for it. In abilities, we can see that there are 4 types of abilities: common abilities, hero abilities, hidden abilities, and normal attack. You can hover over these abilities to view the detailed information. Double-click hero abilities. You can check to add 1 or more abilities for the unit. Next, let's see how to modify the attributes of this ability. Let's see the hero ability we just added. An ability is consisted of 2 parts. One is the triggers. It is used to achieve the ability effect. The other one is data. It is used to modify ability attributes. First, let's look at the basic attributes. There are 5 types of ability cast type. Normal attack. The ability casts when a player right-clicks on an enemy unit while controlling their own unit. Active ability. An ability that must be actively cast by the player. Passive ability. An ability that automatically takes effect as long as it has been learned by a unit or acquired by an item. Build ability. An ability used for constructing buildings. By configuring items on the building list, you can provide your characters with the ability to build. Gathering ability. An ability that can gather resources from specific destructibles. Here, we choose active ability as the ability cast type. Indicator type is the type of mouse indicator used when casting the ability. Here, we choose arrow indicator as the indicator type. Set the arrow length and arrow width to 500 and 100 respectively. Cast range is the radius of the area around the casting unit in which this ability can be cast. That is, the farthest distance at which the unit can cast the ability without moving. Here we set it to 1500. Check Immediately Cast Out of Range. If the target is beyond the casting range of the ability, it will be cast at the closest point to the target, within the casting range. Check Turn Before Cast. The unit will automatically turn towards the ability casting direction, and the turning speed is the unit's turning speed. In ability parameters, set the value of damage to 100. MP value is the ability's magic point cost to cast the ability. For convenience of testing, we set it to be 0 here. CD time is the ability cooldown time. It is the minimum duration between two casts. We set it to 1 second. So far, we have finished designing all the adventures. Let's test the effect together. How is this cool ability made? You can continue to learn in our trigger tutorials. Now, it's time to review what we learned today. We learned about units' drop settings, how to add hero abilities, and how to modify ability attributes. So far, we have finished introducing the terrain and object editor. Welcome to continue watching more of our tutorial videos.